y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna go ahead and hop on into this video. I am starting off with my hair blow dried. This video was definitely not planned. It was just spare the moment. I wanted to try something new. So yes, make sure you check down below in the description to see all the products linked down below if you guys are interested. But yes, I first go in with some gel, and I should have used a different gel. I don't know. This is my first time doing this style, y'all, but my hair immediately like started to curl back up, but it ends up like sleeking down later on in the video. But I definitely will make some changes the next time I do this hairstyle. But for my first time doing it, I really like how it came out. But anyway, so pretty much you can see I'm just trying to get it as sleek as possible using a wax stick, using the Got To Be Glued spray. And you guys, this is my first time actually using this spray like in my hair, and when I say the hold, it's no joke. Okay, I love it. And so definitely use this spray to hold it. Like, my hair did not move. Okay, I really loved using this, and it has lasted a long time. I still have my ponytail in now, and it's been like maybe 5 days. So yes, I make sure I use my blow dryer on cool setting to make sure that it's dried down. But I'm just pretty much going back and forth, and doing what I can to try to sleek this ponytail down. I did use another YouTuber's video for reference. I used Tiara Walker's video. She always do some really cute sleek ponytails, so I will definitely leave her video down below if you guys want to check out hers as well. Like I said, this was just very last minute spare of the moment, but I still wanted to show you guys, and a lot of people have asked like what I did, so glad I recorded it. But yeah, so basically I'm just talking a lot, but it's just kind of self-explanatory what I'm doing. Just spraying it down, making sure it's all good and whatnot. Okay, so I ended up taking out the ponytail and readjusting it. It was definitely hard to sleek it back down after spraying that spray on there, but it's definitely possible. I would say leave your edges out, because me trying to do my edges at the end, like thinking like I could take a little bit out and like swoop it back, no, that did not work. So make sure you leave your baby hairs, your edges out, whatever the case. I really don't have any baby hair, so I just had to leave out what I could. But yeah, so now I'm just braiding my hair and then using a rubber band at the end to secure it, and making sure that's all straight. I probably will make my ponytail a little shorter next time, because that did determine the length of my ponytail. I did like how long it came out, but if you do want a shorter ponytail, I definitely suggest that your actual hair ponytail or whatever to be shorter. And if you want it to be longer, I would like add some braiding hair or something like that to the end of it. But yeah, so now I'm going in with these random bundles I've had for a long time. I don't even remember where they're from. They're just some hair I had as a sew-in and decided to, try it with this ponytail. So pretty much what I did was I attached a rubber band to like the end of the weft, and then I attached it to my actual braid. And then I'm going to start to just twist the hair up. I didn't use like any glue or anything like that. I know a lot of people do use glue to secure it, but I didn't want to put any glue like near my hair, so I just twisted it up like pretty tight, and you guys, it has not moved not one bit. So definitely recommend doing it this way. If you don't want to use any glue, it's definitely possible. So yeah, I'm just pretty much wrapping it all the way up the ponytail. I would say I did have to use like a lot of my hair, like a lot of the bundles, because I did kind of wrap it really close. And then like I said, my ponytail was actually long. So if you make sure you have a lot of hair if you do want a long ponytail. So yeah. All right, so once I did get to like the end of some of the bundles. I did have to secure it with a bobby pin, so I pretty much just bobby pinned the end of it into my actual braid, and it pretty much just stayed like that. I do want to kind of figure out a better way to do that, and then also me like starting a new one was kind of a struggle because I had to like get the rubber band all the way up the ponytail, if that makes sense. It's really hard to explain, y'all. I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, so now that I'm at the end, I'm taking the end of the track and just wrapping it around and making sure it is secure with the got to be glue, so the ponytail just doesn't, unravel or anything like that. So make sure you are spraying that down and then going in with your blow dryer to make sure it is all the way dry. And I did this and it has not moved since. Definitely recommend, spraying and blow drying that down until it's completely dry. And yeah. All right, so now I'm just sleeking down the little bit of edges that I do have. Yeah, so like I said before, make sure you leave out enough hair because it is gonna be hard to like brush it into the hair that's already like, laid down because it's not gonna move. But yeah, I did what I could. I really, really like how my hair turned out. I was so in love with this ponytail, y'all. I think this might be my new go-to, and I never showed this, but I did straighten the hair before I put it in, and then like did like a little adjustments, just using a flat iron and straighten it down or whatever, and then going back in with the spray to like get rid of any flyaways and things like that. But yes, here is the finished look. This is actually like 5 days later and it's still looking really, really good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I love this ponytail so much. I kind of want to try it again with like some curly hair or something. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.